Hi, I'm Kate and I make ball joint dolls from clay and cast them in resin. My current project is the redesign of the doll I casted in 2022. Today I will show you how I make the hands for this doll. I start by making the base. For that I decided to use a thin wire, the one that is used for the beads. For each finger I cut the short piece, bend and twist it and cover the wire with the thread. I saw this method on the stop-motion dolls and I thought it could help me to make the fingers a bit stronger, which is definitely plus when making the silicone molds. Another idea is that the clay will sit better on this base. On this stage, I create the shape of the hand and start covering it with the clay, with the main goal for the clay to stick to the base. After that, I will just wait for the details to dry. When the hands dried, I begin to work with my mini drill. With a thin grinding bit, I carve the shape of the fingers, trying hard not to drill the wire. After this stage, the hand starts to look a bit better and not so clumsy. After carving, I shape the hand with the clay and then continue working with the sanding paper until I am satisfied with the results. I carefully hold the hand and don't push the fingers at all, because otherwise the finger will break. When the shape of the fingers and hand is defined, I start adding details like nails and knuckles. I use mostly small knife and sanding paper during this process. It's important to refine not only outside parts of the hand, but also not forget about the inside. And for the nails, I use a simple needle. Despite it looks like I push the fingers, in reality I just slightly lean those fingers to mine, because I don't want to break anything. So now when the hands are done, I can try them on the doll. It's a temporary assembling, so I use the wooden beads for the joints. The hands will be detachable, that is why I don't stick the ball to the hand directly. Because I have the wire inside this hand, I can use the magnet to stick the hand to the ball. Now for now the wrist can be bent, but I still can use this assembling to check the proportions and overall look together with the doll. On this stage, the next step will be priming, but I will wait until other dolls' details will be done and then prime all of them at once. Thank you for watching this video, subscribe and see you soon. Bye!